Hello and welcome to Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team and eXp Realty, and today we are in Marilyn Woods in Noblesville, Indiana. This is a David Weekley community, and the homes here are spectacular, but you're gonna have to wait till we head inside. If you're looking for an affordable option to get into Noblesville, come and check this out. All right, let's go take a look. All right, today we are going to look at the Sanborn model. And right away you can see beautiful front to back visibility, nice wide entryway. Some places like to make it cramped, not so here with David Weekley. All right, right off the front, what do we have? Beautiful office. So if you're doing work from home or you just want that dedicated space, it's really nice option here. Lots of natural light. Actually, 3 windows. A lot of places like to do 2, so that extra window makes a nice touch. And there's even a ceiling fan in there. A lot of places just put a cam light there. So nice features right off the bat up front here. And you can also flex this out, make it a sitting room, make it a playroom, whatever you need. So right next to that, of course, your main floor half bath. It's like a standard in a lot of a new construction, but always nice. And it's nice that it's separated up front. Which way should we go? This is the open space. I don't want you to see the open space yet. Let's head over here. All right, check out behind me. You have the drop zone, mud room, and laundry room. So basically, we have an all-in-one type situation here. And this is a really generous drop zone. A lot of them are much smaller than that. So you have a ton of space to actually sit down and put on your shoes, which is kind of the whole point of it. Plus lots of hooks for your coats. And there's a little shelf. Look at that nice little shelf up there. Extra storage. Don't let it become a junk area, because that'd be easy. Over here, extra storage, countertop, throw your keys on there, you're home, you're ready to go. And you have the laundry area, which is nice, tucked away in the corner here. So they've got them on the pedestals. I like the pedestals. Comment below if you like the pedestals or you like them flat or stacked, or how do you like your washer dryer. So over here, we have a nice little, I'm gonna call it the folding station. So, because it's right next to the laundry. So you wanna fold your shirts? There you go. Laundry closet. You have storage above. So you wanna put your detergent or cleaning products or whatever up there. Then you also have the closet right off of it as well. And then you have, that's the office. That's gonna be your garage. So, plenty of place to store all your clothes, all your coats, and get everything clean all in one place. Keep your mud in one area. All right, you ready for the open area? All right, let's check it out. Whoa, it's huge. Now this is a nice design. So right here, let's start in the kitchen, right? Kitchen, heart of the home. That's a massive, massive island. You know, if you watch this channel, I love massive islands. This one is bigger than your average, smarter than your average bear, and I don't know if those cookies are real, but they're making me hungry. So plenty of seating. They've got nice wide stools here. If you had smaller stools, you could actually even fit a 4th one if you're looking for 4, but 3 fit very comfortably. And check out this. I've not seen a double door pantry in other models in the area. Double door pantry, plenty of space. So it's not a walk-in one, but it's plenty deep, lots of shelves, and really nice looking. All right, off in the corner here, we have our microwave oven combination, and both inset, both looking really nice with the stainless steel. And of course, vent hood, gas range, absolutely beautiful looking kitchen. There is your sink as well, dishwasher. You know, I love the little spray nozzles. So it's the details, right? Over here, you've got your fridge, you know, storing your milk and your drinks and whatever else. Cheese, meat, I don't know. But on the whole, it's a really nice looking kitchen and nice wide walkways. You're not going to be bumping into people here, you know, plenty of space to get through. It's really key. Think about the functionality of your kitchen when you're looking at different models. Off in the corner, you've got your dining area, and they've got a nice long table there. So you've got plenty of space for whatever type of dining furniture you're looking at. There's also a nice little hutch looking thing off to the side, so plenty of space in that corner. And did you count the windows? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the door. So we're gonna make that 5. That's a ton of natural light. Can't beat it. Over here, you got your living area. So right across, let's say it's NFL Sunday, You're sitting there, TV's right here, boom, you're ready to go. Let's watch the game. Let's have some chips and dip, whatever. You don't have to mess up your living room furniture. And really, it's a good sized living room too. They've got a nice amount of space, another ceiling fan, which is beautiful, and 2 huge windows off to the side. So let's pop out back. There we go. Alrighty. So you have a really nice porch out here. This is actually a covered porch. And then you have your fire pit external area as well. So check it out. Lots of different options for how you can set this up. There's a ton of lots available here, but they are going fast. This is a fast selling community. And in fact, you cannot build this particular model at the present moment. There's going to be another phase later with it, but if you want this one, you're going to have to wait a minute. But there are other options in this community. Like I said, lots are coming fast. We're in Noblesville right now, and not only are we in Noblesville, we're in Hamilton Southeastern Schools, which are one of the highest rated schools in the area. Whoa, we have a split decision here. Let's go to the basement. So, like I said, we're in Hamilton Southeastern Schools. Check the rankings on like a niche.com or other ranking site. You'll see very, very sought after school district, rival high school to Fishers High School. So that's kind of fun because they're both there in Fishers. But we're in Noblesville in the southeast. Oh man, you want to see the basement? You want? Should I show you? Okay. Whoa! Look at this awesome hangout space. But before we get there, off to the side, you have your Harry Potter closet. Yeah. Oh, Harry's not home. Okay. Well, off to the side here, we have Harry Potter's bar. No, just kidding. We've got nice little bar set up, shelves. I think they've got this stage for the model, but you can probably get that installed in your house as well. Check out this air hockey table. I never had a real air hockey table growing up, but I wish I had one, and now I'm ready to move in. So, big Monopoly fans here. Free parking and community chest. They're making all the monies. Whoa, look how huge this basement is. This is awesome. So you want to set up a playroom, a hangout space. You want to get, shuffleboard, billiards, whatever you're looking for. You've got plenty of space. I'm feeling these Monopoly decorations. I love Monopoly. Comment below if you want to play Monopoly with me. Let's play some Monopoly. All right, we got more gaming over here. Check out this comfy little nook off to the side. I mean, you could easily put like a playhouse, a jungle gym, I don't know, a Pop-A-Shot, anything you want down here. You got natural light coming in. It's a daylight basement. Not a walkout basement, but a daylight. Usually with basements, it's going to be different options where you don't have to have one or you can get one. Check with me and check with the builder. We'll talk together to the builder, make sure you're getting everything you want. Nice basement bathroom. So full bath, tile shower with a super tall bar. That's kind of fun. But you don't see that in usually they just put in like a little unit there. They have some nice tile work. And of course, this is a nice house, right? This house is in the upper 4s, and it depends on the options you make, but it's starting in the upper 4s. Check out this bedroom. Whoa! We got the feature wall. We have the egress window, so you're all compliant and safe. And of course, no bedroom is complete without a closet. Check it out. Boom, big closet, walk in, let's go. This basement is dope. I would want this bedroom. But, I mean, you got the whole corner of the house here. Whoa! How'd I miss these? They should include these with the house. Oh man, I love the game decorations down here. My daughter loves Uno. She's an absolute Uno beast. So, all right, you got your ultimate hangout space down here. Actually, let's peek over here real quick. Got your mechanicals, storage room. You can come in. You can come in. Yep. Easy access. Nice big room. Store all the boxes you never want to see again in there or in your Harry Potter closet. All right, let's head upstairs. So now we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. So let's review. We've got great location, popular community, house is going fast. There's actually a really nice walking trail in this community, to put the woods in Marilyn Woods, gives you something to do. There aren't like, there's not like a playground here or a pickleball court or something like that. It's a true nature community where you have the houses and then you have your walking trail so you can get out and active, which is really cool. Not all communities have that. Here's your loft. Look at this big loft. Another cool hangout space. If you got kids or you want company, man, there's so much space for just hanging out, having a good time in this house. Put a TV up here like they did, put a game console, maybe a Switch 2 or PS5 or something. All right, let's head over to the bedroom. This bedroom has its own bathroom. So oldest child, favorite child, I don't know. Oh, look at this bedroom. They like the Pacers, me too. Get better, Tyrese, we miss you. Is that Reggie? Is that Reggie? Let's go. All right, check it out. Got the closet here. Oh, Tyrese. He's a fat head on the wall. Nice. All right, walk-in closet. It's a good bedroom. It's a really good size. 3 windows on the wall, its own bathroom. What's not to like? Huge storage closet upstairs. This is like a pantry and it's upstairs. That is really cool. They don't make them like that. In fact, I've not seen that. Another bathroom upstairs. Single vanity. Look at all these tall showers with the tile. How cool is that? And who is that for? Well, there's 2 other bedrooms over here. We got, boom, bedroom, corner bedroom with a huge closet. And it's so huge, they've got, a whole makeup station in there. And then another corner bedroom as well. How many are we up to? Basement, 2, 3, 4. We're up to 4 bedrooms. We're still missing one that we haven't seen yet. Check it out. So this is a good bedroom. Another great closet. These closets are generous. They're very, very nice. All right, so let's recap. This model is in the upper 4s. We have models in the mid 3s in this community. So if you're looking to get into Noblesville in a new build, you're gonna have a hard time beating that price. With everything, all the design work and everything in here, you are in good shape in Marilyn Woods. So, what have we forgotten? What did I leave out? That's right, the piece de resistance. Let's go to the primary bedroom. So just off the living room, here is your suite. Yeah. Nice big room, tons of natural light. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows, tray ceilings, beautiful light fixture, tasteful decorations. So it's a nice primary. So if you like natural light, this is a good one for you. Here is the ensuite. It's on and it's suite. Wait, no, I don't think that's how the word works. All right. Check out the vanity, nice big double vanity, plenty of drawers, and then your gorgeous custom tile shower with the double dose of daylight up above. That's a good one. And they have plenty of natural, can lights as well. Throne room, off to the side, no big deal. And, somebody listened to my advice. They finished out the closet. I doubt it comes standard, but this is what I'm talking about. If you watch this channel, this is a moment of like realization. I hope it dawns on you, because this is what a closet should look like, especially in your primary. Oh, it's beautiful. It's not just the wire racks. It's got places for shoes. It's got double hangs. It's got long hangs. It's got drawers. This is how you do a closet. Look how much maximized space they have. It is gorgeous. Man, this is a nice house. And the fact that you could get into this community in the mid 3s or into a model like this starting in the upper 4s, that's a great price too. You're in Hamilton Southeastern Schools. You're in Noblesville, in the southeastern part of Noblesville. Like, maybe you're a world-class gymnast. Well, we're not that far from Innovation Mile, where USA Gymnastics is moving. Maybe you love Noblesville Boom, like that bedroom upstairs. Hey, we're not far from there. Do you like shopping? Do you like restaurants? Hey, we're not far off from the Hamilton Town Center. Great location with nature in the community itself. Tons of housing opportunities, but they're going fast here. So if you're interested in moving in or even taking a look at this house, use my contact information below. Let's set up a Zoom, talk through your goals, or just text me. Or hey, just comment below too. It's totally fine. I'm here to help you on your home journey in and around Indianapolis. So let's do it together. Well, there's a lot to like here, but that's gonna wrap us up for today. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team in eXp Realty, and if you like this video, leave a like below. It really helps, it really does. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Noblesville, in and around Indianapolis, the Circle City that we love and call home. So with that, we'll see you in the next one.